Hello, this is a quick video to show how to change color of objects in Blender. This is the default scene in Blender. I delete the default objects and I add another group. Go to Add, Merge, and Cube. If you want to change the color of the object, we can go to Material Properties and then go to Add a new material. Go down to Viewport Display. We can go to Color and click it to change the color of the viewport displays. If you want to change the color of the object for rendering, we can switch to Material Preview first, and then go to Surface, and the base color, we can change the color of the base color. This is the color of object for 3D rendering. So this is how we can change the object in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist V. See you in the next video. Bye bye.